Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. So today I'm going to tell you a story, and the name of the story is The Bear and the Two Friends. Once upon a time, there were two friends, Golu and Monu. They were very good friends. They used to have fun together, they used to play together, they were best of friends. One day, Golu and Monu had to go through a forest. Now, while entering into the forest, they suddenly remembered that the forest is full of dangerous animals. There were many dangerous animals in the forest, like lions, tigers, wild elephants, bears, poisonous snakes, poisonous spiders, and many other wild animals. Now, as they were entering into the forest, a sense of fear gripped into their mind as to what lies ahead of them. And then Golu told Monu, Monu, promise me one thing. Whatever may be the situation, whoever falls in trouble, we will not leave each other. We will always help each other. Monu said, yes, of course, Golu. We will be there to help each other. We will always help each other if we were in trouble. Then what happened? As they were moving along, suddenly a dark figure, a bear, appeared in front of them. And when Monu saw the bear, he immediately ran towards a tree and climbed up a tree out of fear. And Golu, he did not know how to climb a tree. Then what did Golu do? Golu asked Monu to help him to climb a tree. Golu said to Monu, Monu, I do not know how to climb a tree. Please help me to climb a tree. Monu said, No, I can't help you right now. The bear is approaching and I cannot get down to help you out. Then what did Golu do? Golu suddenly remembered that wild animals do not attack dead beings. And so Golu immediately laid down on the ground and held his breath. And when the bear approached towards Golu, the bear sniffed at Golu. And when he found that the boy was not breathing, the bear went away from that place. And when the bear went away from that place, and then Golu stood up. And after the bear went away from the place, Monu also got down from his tree. And then he asked Golu, Golu, what did the bear whisper in your ears? Now what did Golu say? Golu said, the bear told me never to trust a false friend. And saying that, Golu went away, and Monu was ashamed of himself because he broke his promise and he did not help his friend in the time of his need. So, what did you learn from the story? We learned that a true friend is one who helps you at the time of your need. So, there goes the line. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So that's all for today. Hope you like the story. Bye.